To solve this question, we're asked to find the fifth term of the given series. The fifth term of the given series will be denoted by x sub 5. So we're looking for that actual value. Our answer choices are the potential values for x sub 5. And let's go ahead and jot down the other extra information that we're given from the question. We're told that the fourth term in the series is 16, so that means x sub 4 doesn't look like a 4. X sub 4 is equal to 16. We're also told that x sub 7 is equal to 31. Now we might need these values since it seems like there's a pattern going on with the x sub n's that we would need the term right before it. So if we're asked for x sub 5 using the sequence or the series pattern will be x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus s. So x sub 4 plus s. Now we know x sub 4 is 16, so we would be able to plug that in, but to find a value of x sub 5, we're going to need to find s. So let's go ahead and take our series and let's set up a pattern. And let's go ahead and take a look at the pattern of the series. We'll start with x sub 4 because that's the smallest x sub n that we know of. So using our series x sub n equal to x sub n minus 1 plus s, we'll go ahead and we'll start looking at the pattern for x sub 4 is 16. And we're just going to go through because we do have information about x sub 7 and that might help us. X sub 5 we said is x sub 4 plus s. Oops. X sub 4 plus s, and x sub 4 is 16, so 16 plus s. X sub 6, let's just scroll down a little bit. X sub 6 would equal x sub 5 plus s. Since x sub 5 is 16 plus s, we actually have 16 plus s plus s. So substituting 16s in for x sub 5. This actually gives us 16 plus 2s. If we continue with this pattern and take a look at x sub 7, using the series definition, we have it's equal to x sub 6 plus s. And using a similar method that we did with substitute in 16 plus 2s in for 6s, we'll end up with a 16 plus 2s plus s, so 3s. Now we're actually given the value of x sub 7. So this now gives us an equation. We can set 16 plus 3s equal to 31 since we know the value of x sub 7. Doing that, we'll end up with the equation 16 plus 3s equals 31. And using this, we can solve for s. Now solving for s would then give us a value for s, and since we know x sub 5 is 16 plus s, we would then be able to find the value for x sub 5. So let's go ahead and scroll down a bit and we'll solve this equation for s. Solving this equation for s, let's subtract 16 from both sides. So 3s is equal to 15. And we could divide both sides by 3, so s is equal to 5. Now since we're asked to find x sub 5, and we have the equation for x sub 5, we can go ahead and plug in our s value. So x sub 5 will equal 16 plus s, which is equal to 16 plus 5, which simplifies to 21. So we're looking for x sub 5 is 21 as our final answer, and that's answer choice C. So we can go ahead and choose that as our final answer choice.